one. I'm going to warn you right now that my toddler is awake. She's playing, so there's going to be all types of noises and possibly things getting snatched from my hands. And I'm sorry if that disturbs you. But I'm going to show you guys how to do a German twisted cast on today, which is a lot like a long tail cast on in the fact that you use a tail of yarn in helping to create your cast on stitches. And the thing is, compared to a long tail cast on, it is very much a little bit more stretchier. It has a lot more give, which is perfect for your sweater ripping with a 2x2 rib for the eucalyptus knit along. All right, to do this, you need to figure out how much of a tail you need. So of course you want a little bit left over so you have it able to be woven in at the end of your sweater project. And then when you just wrap it around, say about 10 times is a good guesstimate. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that'll give you a good guesstimate amount for how many stitches you need. So you would just continue to fold over that amount with a little bit extra to make sure that you have enough to do this cast on. Now there's two ways to start it. There's a slip knot method where you create a slip knot and have it on your needles and work from there. But I personally do not like the knot that it leaves. I find it binding and makes it look less neat on your finished project. So I prefer to do the slingshot method. Now, I only need about 20 stitches, so I'm going to show you how. First, you have your tail end of your yarn over your thumb, and the working end of your yarn goes over the pointer finger, and then you can just grip it with the rest of your fingers. Don't grip it too hard because you want it to be able to slide easily. And then you place your needle under and hold the string. And now what you're going to do is you're going to pull it back like a slingshot. That's why it's called the slingshot method. You're going to go over the first strand of your thumb, under both of them, and then into the loop that's created. Now I like to pop my thumb down for this part so that I have a wider space to open and it's not as hard to split stitches or anything like that. You're a lot less likely to do that. And then you catch your working yarn, pull it through, and then drop and pull the stitch tight. And that extra little wrap gives you the stretch that you need. So I'm going to demonstrate again. You go over that one, under both, and into the loop, pop the thumb down, grab the working yarn, pull it through, and tighten. Under, into, grab, through, tighten. So one more time with words. So you've got your slingshot, you go over this part, under both strands, into the loop on the thumb, pop the thumb down, grab the working strand, pull it through the thumb loop, tighten. And that's how you do a German twisted cast on. Check for our next video on how to do the twin stitch short row method.